Hey guys, today's video is going to be me answering Poshmark questions. First question, have you tried using the Closet Pilot bot? It makes sharing and following so much easier. Don't use bots on Poshmark.
No.
See, even Abilene says don't do it. You see? No. No. Bots on Poshmark are not allowed. If they catch you using a bot, they will delete your account. Yes, it's so much easier, obviously, because it's an automated thing and it's, you know, it can share like, oh, it can share so fast. Oh, I can follow so many people, but don't do it because it's not allowed. I have heard about this particular one because I've actually seen a YouTube ad for it. Went to the girl's closet in the video and she has like a legit closet and I'm like, what are you doing? You can get a VA, which is perfectly fine to do, but be careful of the service that you use because some VAs use bots and others are real people. So definitely do your research and make sure that it's a real person following and sharing and doing whatever task that you need them to do. But yeah, make sure it's a real person because if it's a bot, Poshmark will delete your account. And you might think, oh, well, they'll never catch me, but you can't, don't have that mentality because they eventually will, I promise. Question, is there a way to tell how long you've had an item listed in the Poshmark app? Yes, so if you go to, let's walk through it right now. Okay, so in the Poshmark app, if you go to My Seller Tools and then My Inventory Report, it'll email a report to you. Let's do that. Okay, so it's gonna email a report to me. I gotta check my email to pull up the report. Tart. Oh, guys, I hate it when you're on a website and you know you put things in your cart and then like you don't end up buying anything and then they harass you and they're like Tart just emailed me and they go, psst, you forgot something. Still deciding? Let our Tartlets tell you why you'll love the items in your cart. Oh, this is I've never seen something like this before, but they sent me like I got a bunch of things in my cart and they sent me reviews from people like trying to persuade me to buy that shit. Tart, you're funny. Okay, waiting for this report. So at the very top of the report, it'll show your oldest listing. My oldest, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm glad I did this because I need to relist a shit ton of things. My oldest listing is from April 17th, 2019. Then I've got stuff from May 2019, June, July, August. That shirt has been listed for 376 days and I haven't relisted it. I need to take a look at this. So thank you, whoever asked that question, thank you so much because, oh my gosh, I need to look through that. So yes, that's the way you can see how long you've had stuff listed for, and clearly I need to go through that. Like, seriously. Next question. Hey Vanessa, I have a question for you if you're able to answer it here, or maybe you don't mind, or maybe you don't know the answer, or on one of your videos, which I love to watch while working out. I recently started selling my old clothes since I'm trying to become a minimalist while going through college, and I have sold a lot more than I expected to. My parents are worried I may get in trouble with the state for not having a business license. Do you know if I need a license to sell on Poshmark? I know I need to file taxes, but I'm unsure about the business license part. No, you do not need a business license to sell on Poshmark. Nope, you don't. You're all set. Yes, you do need to file taxes. If you make more than $600 in a year, then yes, you need to claim that as income. And I would suggest having someone do your taxes for you because it can get kind of confusing. So yeah, to answer your question, no, you don't need a business license to sell on Poshmark. Next question. Okay, so like I watch your videos over anyone else. Oh, thank you. I love the Q&As and I find them super helpful, but got one question of my own and maybe looking at it in the wrong angle, but why would someone share over 50 items from your closet? And it's not just a one-time deal, it's like every day. And typically I try to do share for share, but I've had people share 80 plus listings. I haven't been selling long and trying to build my closet up so that is almost my entire closet, if not my closet, and they do it like every day. Not to sound ungrateful, well, I guess I kind of do, but how does someone have that much time? Do you share back when someone else shares that many, or do you have a cap on how many you share? Thanks a ton, and thanks for always keeping it rad. Okay, so if you watched my previous video, I have stopped sharing other people's listings because, and that video caused an uproar, like, oh my gosh. Yeah, but I've stopped I've stopped sharing other people's listings because I really do not think that it does anything. I'm gonna do a follow-up to that video because, like I said, it caused an uproar. So when somebody shares a bunch of your listings, it can mean, you know, a couple of things. It could mean that they are looking for shares back. It could also mean that they are trying to build up their community shares. To reach the Posh ambassador status, you have to have 5,000 community shares in order to become a Poshmark ambassador. So that might be what they're trying to do. But don't feel guilty if somebody shares like 80 of your things. Don't feel like guilty or obligated that you have to share 80 of them back. That's crazy. I know that when I was doing share for shares, I had a listing in my closet. It said, share 10 of my items and I'll share 10 of yours back. And I had people all the time, they would share like 30, 40, 50 of my listings. I'm like, I'm only gonna share 10 of yours because that's what my listing says, you know? So, but yeah, don't feel guilty about not sharing back as many as they share to you. Like, don't feel guilty at all. Next question. Love your videos, love your personality. Thank you, Tina. I was curious what you post in the size field of things without size tags. I've seen various ways and wondering what you think is best practice. Okay, so if something does not have a size tag on it, I put that in the description. I say, you know, a size tag is ripped out, and then I provide measurements. If we're talking about like a t-shirt, I will do a pit to pit measurement, and then I will put the corresponding size in the size category. So I will look up, like I have it saved on my phone actually, like the standard US sizes for like small, medium, and large, and I will correlate my measurements with that. But I do note in the description, I say, you know, the size tag is ripped out, and I will take a picture of like the item on the ground, you know, with like my measuring tape so people can actually see the measurement too. So yeah, that's what I do. Next question, when you shop on Poshmark for your closet, do you put in a low offer to see how low they will go? I do, and sometimes I feel bad because some items I know are worth more than I'm willing or offering to pay to resell. Okay, so I do lowball people. You know, it's the name of the game. People lowball me. Yes, I lowball other people. And I used to get offended at lowball offers when somebody would offer me like, I don't know, $10 for like a $35 item. I'd be like, oh my gosh, what are they thinking? But it makes sense to me. Like, they're trying to get a deal. Like, why would I hate on that? I can always counter back, and when I make a lowball offer to someone, they can always counter back as well. I actually had, oh guys, I think I'm gonna do a separate video talking about this because I have had so many bad experiences on Poshmark lately, and it's super frustrating. Sorry, I'm just like kind of going off because I'm like in the middle of a bad experience right now. So yeah, to answer your question, I do lowball people, and no, I don't feel bad. I lowball them with, you know, the intention of turning around and selling it for more than what they're selling it for. Like, that's reselling. That's the name of the game. So yeah, I don't feel bad. And I've gotten a lot of questions from you guys lately being like, oh, I want to do this, but I feel bad. It's like, you gotta take the emotion out of it. You really do. Like, I know, you know, it's coming from a good place. But like, you're trying to run a business, or, you know, you're trying to make money. You gotta take the emotion out of it. Definitely. Okay, next question. I have also received some bad bundles. That's what my video is gonna be talking about. Bad bundles. Have you ever had Poshmark offer you a $10 credit instead of sending everything back? What, honey? Mama be out in a minute, okay? No. I bought another bundle last night, and this morning she said she canceled it because someone offered her more. What? I didn't know you could do that. Okay, so 2 questions here. Have you ever had someone offer you a $10? Have you ever had Poshmark offer you a $10 credit instead of sending everything back? Oh, I've never had Poshmark offer me a $10 credit instead of sending things back. I have gotten bad bundles before, and I've just sent everything back. Sellers can do this. You said you bought a bundle last night, and then this morning she canceled it because someone offered her more. That's shitty to do, first of all. But yes, sellers can cancel bundles. So backing up, a buyer can cancel a bundle within 3 hours of purchasing it. They can say it was an accidental purchase. The seller can cancel, I don't think there's like a time frame. I think they can cancel at any time. So for instance, let's go into something. Actually, I sold something this morning, so let's go into it. If I tap on cancel order, it gives me the option of, like, it's asking why do I want to cancel it? I can say don't have the item got damaged, changed my mind, will bundle with another order, or other. So changed my mind, that's kind of, I never realized they had that option. That's kind of shitty. But yes, unfortunately that can happen. People are hard up for money right now, so maybe she really needed the extra money. But yes, you are able to do that. So that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below, send me a DM on Instagram, or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. My girls are singing outside the door. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.